And the third is also around connecting, is connect and forget. We tend to connect with people and then we completely forget about them. And, what many people don't realize is on LinkedIn, you can actually download your first degree connections. You can go through that. If you Google that, there are plenty of stuff. If you go to our website and sign up for our free content library, there's some information on how to do that there, socialsaleslink.com/library. But the reason this is important is because I would bet that some of your listeners are already connected to some people who are their ideal clients that are prospects, and they just don't know it. They forgot. Because we connect with people and then we go on to the next new thing. And one of the ways around that is to, when you're connecting with someone, is have a welcome message that's set up. That when you connect with me, hey, Derek, thanks so much for connecting with me. Not sure if you're leveraging LinkedIn for sales, but if you are, I have some free resources I'd love to send to you. Let me know and I'll share a link with you. And so that keeps the connection going. Also, when you send a message, when you first connect with someone, telling them why you want to connect, it helps you remind you. So you can see I have gray hair, the little bit of hair I do have, so I forget things very easily. But by messaging, so when I look in a year and I remember, Derek Fidel, all right, Social Bamboo, yeah, I can look at our messaging history and I can see, oh yeah, he had me on his podcast. That's how I know Derek. So it gives me a way to continue that conversation.
Is there a way to flag conversations so that you don't forget to come back to them on LinkedIn?
There is not. LinkedIn's messaging platform is not good. It is not good. That's where a really good CRM comes into play, where you can go in and say, okay, I connected with Derek. Now the next step in my process is to send him a link and have that all. There are some automations that do that out there, but again, they violate LinkedIn's terms of use. So there's some really great automation, but you just can't use it. So the LinkedIn messaging platform doesn't work really well. It's not very conducive for that. But if you make it part of your regular action on LinkedIn, then it kind of gets to be a habit.
Even as a marketer who might appreciate the concept of the automation software, I think I still overall am glad that they cracked down on it so hard, because it just, with the amount of messages that these people would be being sent, you just get drowned out so much easier. And even if you come through as this authentic person, message, surrounded by all these bots, that you might get drowned out. So it's just good that overall there's less of these random messages happening.
Yeah, it definitely helps, and that's what LinkedIn's is recognizing, is the fact that there are many people, I call them outliers. They could use the platform better, but they won't use the platform because they're getting inundated with messages and with connect and pitches, and they just don't see the value in it. And so LinkedIn's looking at that and going, okay, we don't want to lose those people. And so I agree. I think it's a great move.